Left looks a little spicy.
Yeah, it's a little steamy.
Uh-oh. See, that's the purpose of wanting voice on the rear camera. So it's recording you as you're saying.
My butt's getting work here. I'm spreading the cheeks. Hold on to the seat.
At least it's comfortable, right?
Yeah, it's alright, but still, my back is getting a stretch left to right. Didn't do this last weekend, so. Alright, center mound doesn't look too bad so far on you. You gonna go? I was just gonna say, you're gonna go left. This is usually a height, yeah, this big mound here, I see it. It's right, but that left works, but you can do both. Yeah, it's... I would love to just try a track sometime, you know? See what that really is like. I'm surprised there's no snowmobilers up here, though. You never see tracks for it or anything. I mean, I'm just surprised. I mean, unless it's a not, I don't know, I've looked to see, is it not allowed, maybe? Let's look at Cotrack, see if that's an option. Alright. Yeah, I'm seeing it already. Okay. I'm going to take the left. I'm going to stay left too. Being that it's being hard packed is actually helping us, buddy. I mean, I'm watching. You're not settling in really. It's the fresh snow is pretty much it. Of course, we stay out here a few hours and we're screwed. Damn, we're gonna make it here for a bit. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Uh-oh. Come on. Well, nobody's going left. Alright, here we go. Get to the meadow. Good. I went left just when you went left. Alright, here she comes. Wow, there she is. If she's hard packed, be able to make that line there. Oh boy. Well, it's gonna be crusty. I mean, obviously, the right path.
So you'd have to go all the way to the right.
Yeah, that right one. I'm not going to go through that. That's too deep. But I think if we got on it, the way the snow's been, it's been not too soft.
gonna go for it?
Yeah. For that. Shit. Make you wonder if anybody's been up here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that was punchy. Oh, no. Somebody's been hacking down up there. Oh, they didn't go very far. Damn it.
Are you able to back up?
Yeah, I think I'm stuck. Oh, are you really? Okay, get you. Oh wow, yeah, it's being hard packed. Good. Look at that. Nicely done. All yours. Oh, you're good. Go for it. Unless you got another hump you want to hit. Probably could. See what's packed. Straddle it. Straddle. Oh, you're going to go that way. Ooh. I was going to straddle this one. This is good though. You're packing. Oop. Whoop. I fell in it. We're packing it. You got a little combo of snow there, dude. Oh, you're going over. No, no, no. Stay over. Oh, shit. All right. Hopefully it's. Oh, it's staying packed. That's good. Wow. That is. You totally. Yeah, you got to get over. That's good. That was impressive, though. Whoa, boy! Oh, damn, I wanted to catch that one. I was right on film for you. All right, my turn. Yeah, thanks. Get over.